This is the Moza R3 Racing Bundle, and this might just be the best budget-friendly sim racing kit you could get your hands on if you're just starting out. Now, Moza is known for their really high-quality sim racing parts, but this is one of their options that comes in at a lower price range. I'm JJ, welcome to JJ's Tech Reviews, and in today's episode, I'm going to show you everything you need to know about the Moza R3. The R3 kit comes with a 3.9mm direct drive wheelbase, desk mounting hardware, an ES Lite Moza steering wheel, and the Moza SRP Lite pedals. This whole setup itself will run you about $300, but that price can vary depending on what kind of add-ons you select. At the heart of our Moza R3 kit is its 3.9mm direct drive wheelbase. The advantage of direct drive systems over typical gear-driven systems is that it gives it much more detailed force feedback. When I switched over from my old Logitech G920 to this Moza R3, I felt a significant difference. The torque is substantially more, and it overall feels a lot more premium and a lot less clunky. What's really crazy about this wheelbase though is how small it is. Like, this thing is smaller than my hand. However, even in this small form factor, it still outputs a lot more power than those Logitech and Thrustmaster entry-level wheels. And the fact that it's a direct drive base makes it just so much more responsive, and you could really feel the difference. You could easily mount this wheelbase to a sim racing cockpit, or you could just mount it to your desk with a desk clamp if you don't have one. I chose to leave the clamp on the wheelbase because it works on both my desk and my cockpit. That way I could switch between using my desk for gameplay or my VR setup for those super intense sessions. On the back of the wheelbase, you'll find all the necessary connectors you need, including power, USB, and all the other accessories. Moving on to our steering wheel, the Moza R3 kit comes with this ES Lite steering wheel. The wheel comes with Moza's state-of-the-art quick release system, which makes it compatible with all wheelbases. Not to mention, it's super satisfying to click into place. And if you choose to upgrade this wheel in the future, you won't have to worry about it because all of Moza's wheels are compatible with the R3 wheelbase. The wheel itself is pretty decent quality. It has this rubberish material on the outside, which will give you a decent grip. The paddle shifters are made in metal. The buttons feel pretty decent for a steering wheel. The metal plate in the middle is pretty rigid. And the best part is it has a shift light. The wheel is a little bit on the smaller side, but Moza does sell a 12-inch upgrade kit you can purchase for it. I personally really haven't had an issue with it, and it drives pretty well for the most part. So far, no complaints from me. And quite honestly, I'm impressed with how well it's holding up, especially since I drive longer sessions. Moving on, let's take a look at the SRP Lite pedals included with the kit. Also, full disclosure, the clutch pedal for this kit is sold separately, and I'll have more details about that later on in the video. The SRP Lite pedals look pretty solid. They're made of metal, and they have these rubber grips on them to stop them from sliding, which probably work a lot better on hardwood floors than carpet. The pedals use Hall effect sensors, which give really precise information on input. The brake pedal is a little soft and unrealistic, but they do sell a load cell spring upgrade kit for it, which gives it a lot better brake feel. They're overall pretty solid, they don't really slip a lot, which is nice, but I do think that the brake is the main thing holding this back. Luckily, it's upgradable. Now, the pedals are probably the biggest thing holding this kit back, as they could be a lot better, but they still definitely get the job done, but you can only complain so much at this price point. Another thing I do love about not just the R3 but all Moza wheels in general is the software. This is the Moza Pit House, and it's an all-in-one software for everything you need. You could change all your settings in here, tune your wheel, tune your pedals, tune your output curves, just about everything you could imagine. You could even customize your screen if you purchase one of those. And one of the coolest parts is that it automatically optimizes your games for you. This is where Moza really hits it out of the park. Their software is undeniably the best. Another thing I want to talk about is upgrade paths. Seeing as the Moza R3 is an entry-level wheel, you have to upgrade it at some point if you're serious about this hobby. Luckily, Moza's already thought about that, and you could purchase additional accessories like this clutch pedal, this load cell brake adapter, different wheel options to fit your driving style, like this formula wheel, and this larger 12-inch diameter wheel. You can even get a quick release adapter if you don't have a Moza wheel. Moza makes it super easy for you to get into the hobby and progress through it. I think the solid upgrade path is probably the best part about owning the R3. Overall, the Moza R3 is a great wheel bundle. If you are new to sim racing, I highly recommend it. If you are new here, of course, hit that subscribe button. And if you're interested in the wheel, I'll have a link down below in the description. Take it easy, guys.